Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Lady Code. So if you've been watching like any of my hair tutorials, you know that I'm super insecure about my hairline because my hair is thinning a little bit. My hairline is receding and it really stresses me out. So I'm just going to show you like how my hairline looks right now, and usually my tutorials revolve around how to cover up a receding hairline or how to conceal, you know, like a larger forehead. I'm really excited because I found a solution to this issue and I really think it's gonna work. So this is like my first impressions video, and I'll be updating you on my journey as I move along with this program. But before I get into that, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about my hair loss stories. I used to have really full hair. It was gorgeous, and the thinning down here happened from damage. So if you didn't know, I went platinum blonde. Worst mistake of my life. I am still suffering from that. I used to have super like gorgeous thick healthy hair, and now I'm just stuck with like this breakage. It's just really sad. So my hair is thinning in that aspect, but as far as the actual growth goes, I've always had a widow's peak, but I've noticed that I guess through all the processing and the styling and also genetics, my hairline is receding, and you can see how bad it is on my forehead. It's really embarrassing, and I just want to let you guys know if you're going through something like this, you're not alone. Here I am, 26 years old, and I also have a hair problem. Also in the back of my forehead, I will show you a before picture. I do have a little like balding spot. It's not like super noticeable. I cover it up, but again, it's thinning and I want to stop it before it gets worse, because nothing is worse than having a bald spot at 26. That's embarrassing too. I first realized that my hair was kind of receding on my hairline when I was about 16 years old. Super insecure about it. I have tried a lot of different things. When I was clueless, I tried volumizing shampoo. I thought that would help. I started going to a hairstylist and she told me to try Nioxin. Nioxin has a serum, a shampoo, a conditioner, and I would really focus it on this area, like the temple area of my forehead. And I noticed that Nioxin did work. I saw an increase in baby hairs, which means it didn't give me the growth that I wanted. I didn't have that Kim K hairline that we all dream of, but it did get thicker. The only thing was that as soon as I stopped using it, all of that hair would be gone. So like 4 months of work building up these little baby hairs so I can look a little bit normal was gone if I stopped using it for like 2 weeks. So that was awful. Another thing I tried is hair pills. I've tried Phyto, I've tried biotin, I've tried gummies, and I feel like they're also the same as the Nioxin, where like they work as long as you're using it, but as soon as you stop, your results are gone too, and they don't work like amazing. So those are the things that I've tried. Nothing is permanent. So now I want to talk about what I'm trying that I'm super excited about. I am going to try laser hair therapy. So laser hair therapy uses these low-level lasers. They're red lasers, and they are supposed to stimulate hair growth and increase and boost the thickness of your hair. So I've partnered up with iRestore Laser, and they've been generous enough to give anybody watching this video a discount code of over $100. So if you're interested in trying iRestore, go ahead and click the link down below, but I'm sure before we get there you want to see what it's all about. So I haven't even opened this box yet. I've been waiting to do it with you on camera, so let's go ahead and live this moment together. This is my shipment from iRestore. Shipping was super fast, and this is the actual device itself. So here is the box that you would get. Now this is a helmet. Definitely would not be wearing this in public, but the way that this will work is you wear it 25 minutes every other day. And on the back of the box it kind of shows you how it works with some before and after pictures. Okay, so opening up the box, we've got the helmet itself. It says that it is FDA cleared. Actually it is FDA cleared, and it also has no known side effects, which means that it won't make you lose more hair. It doesn't hurt. It's not going to make you sick. It's not going to give you brain cancer, because I know having lasers close to your brain can be a little bit scary. No, you have nothing to worry about here. It's just low-level laser therapy. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. So here is the device itself. This is so like futuristic. I'm like, wow. So it has a little remote control here, and you can kind of just pop it on your head and turn it on when you're ready. And there's also another little box here, and this is the charger. So I guess I should have unboxed it first and then charged it, because right now it's not turning on. So So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in real quick, let it charge, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and my iRestore headpiece is now charged. One thing, I was like testing to see if it was charged yet, and I would like have it on the charger and I would push the start button and this wouldn't turn on, so I thought I had a defective iRestore. But then I pulled out the instructions and it says that it only turns on if it's on your head. So there's actually sensors in the helmet that'll make sure that it's on your head before the lights turn on. I think it's to protect your eyes because, you know, lasers, I don't think they can make you go blind, but it might not be the best for your eyes. So now that we're ready, I'm gonna go ahead and place this on my head. So now I have the piece on my head, and here is the controls. So now the sensors are gonna know that it's on my head. This is the remote. It has a power button and a start/pause button. So if you need to like take a break from the lasers, you can go ahead and pause it and restart it. It'll actually hold the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the power button and you'll see that it will turn on. There's a little blue light that turns on. It says 25 minutes. So once again, you put this on for 25 minutes, and when you're ready to start it, you're gonna push the start/pause button. We're just gonna push start because we want to start the treatment and get our hair back as soon as possible. And the countdown has started, and as you can tell, the red lasers are now making my hair grow. So I just get to hang out for 25 minutes, and I'll probably turn the camera off in a second. So I didn't even notice the lights were on until I looked at my viewfinder and saw that the red lights are kind of hitting my forehead. So that's literally how easy and painless it is, and it's just gonna stimulate your hair growth. So I'm gonna go ahead and link a special video down below where they explain a little bit more about how low-level laser hair therapy can work to help you get your hair back. So what I'm going to do with this treatment is that I'm going to use this every other day as directed, and I'm going to do a check-in and an update about halfway through to let you know how it's going so far, and then I'll also be sharing my final results with before and afters after I finish this treatment. So if you're interested in learning more about if this really works, is it really worth the investment, you can go ahead and subscribe or follow my channel, and you know that I'll be sharing with you my honest experience on if it worked or not. So I'm just super optimistic and super hopeful. So far everything about this looks like it's gonna be really, really good. By the way, I'm still not experiencing any pain. It just feels like, I don't know, I'm wearing a weird helmet. Now we're at 23 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the camera and I'll be back in a little bit. All right guys, so I just finished my treatment. Obviously, I'm not gonna notice a difference right away. This is like a long-term thing that's gonna take a lot of patience. Right now, the only thing I can report is that it doesn't hurt. It's just super comfortable. You can literally do whatever you want. I think that when I'm not like filming my reports, I'm going to be throwing it on while I'm watching TV. Because every night I do like to have a cup of tea and just watch like Big Little Lies or Game of Thrones. Just watch like a TV show that I'm really into right now. So while I'm watching TV, it's just gonna be easy. Just pop it on my head for 25 minutes every other day. So this is just my first impressions, just an update on what I'm doing to fix this problem, and we'll just see how it goes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Everything is linked down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.